Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel all about electronics. So in this question, we have been given this circuit, and here in the given circuit, we have been asked to find the value of this alpha whenever the power loss in this 1 ohm resistor is equal to 9 watt. So let us find that. So if you see this circuit, then here this circuit consists of the two nodes, and here we have been given that the power loss across this 1 ohm resistor is equal to 9 watt. That means here we can say that this I1 square times R is equal to 9 watt, because here the current that is drawn by this 1 ohm resistor is equal to I1. So from this we can say that here this I1 square times 1 ohm, that is equal to 9 watt, or we can say that here the value of the I1 is equal to 3 ampere. Now here if you observe, then at this node A, this 5 ampere current is getting divided in the two branches. So we can say that here this I1 plus I2 is equal to 5 ampere. So basically if we apply the KCL at this node A, then we will get this I1 plus I2 is equal to 5 ampere. So from this we can say that here this current I2 is equal to 5 ampere minus 3 ampere, and that is equal to 2 ampere. That means here this current I2 is equal to 2 ampere. Moreover, here since we know the value of the current I1, so we can also find the voltage drop across this 1 ohm resistor, and that will be equal to the voltage at this node A. So we can say that this voltage VA is equal to this I1 times 1 ohm, and that is equal to 3 volt. That means here this voltage VA is equal to 3 volt, and if you observe over here, then the voltage at this node B is same as the 15 volt. So we can say that over here this VB is equal to 15 volt. So now if we apply the KVL in this path, then we can easily find the value of this alpha. So here if we apply the KVL, then we can say that here this voltage VA plus alpha times I1, that is the drop by this dependent source, minus 2 times I2, that is the drop across this 2 ohm resistor, minus VB is equal to 0, because here the voltage at this node is equal to VB, while the voltage at this node is equal to VA. So here we already know the value of the VA VB as well as the value of the current I1 and the I2. So from this we can say that here this 3 volt plus alpha times I1, that is 3 times alpha, minus 2 times I2, that is 2 times 2 ampere, minus 15 volt, that is equal to 0. Or from this we can say that here this 3 alpha is equal to 16. That means here this alpha is equal to 16 divided by 3, and that is nothing but 5.33. So from this we can say that whenever the value of the alpha is equal to 5.33, at that time the drop across this 1 ohm resistor is equal to 9 watt. And therefore we can say that for the given question, this D is the correct answer.